what's up buddy, how doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu and I'm again here practicing my spoken English. So you can say that it's my studio because it's open space and no one is here. You can see I'm this time at my field area. So here it's very good to practice spoken English. So I came here and practice my English. So guys, today I came here very different area and you can see there are different types of field. You can see and very small part of field also. And here you can see there's a tube well and right there one tube well, three tube well. And basically it's known for its vegetable area because it's quite up. So that's why people didn't much crops here. So I'm gonna show you a crop here. So you can see there is a plot and I come here to practice my spoken English. So it's very good if you wanna try to speak English. So you have to practice because without practice you can't speak very well English. So I come every day practice here. That's why my English is improving very well. And it's also very good if you explain everything. I say every video like the same because guys I'm beginner, so please I repeat many things. So you can see this is Karela plant and farmers wrap up all the straw. So I'm not gonna quite close because maybe if farmer see me, so he'll say, hey, what are you doing here in my farm? So I'm gonna a little bit far from that place. So you can see all barren. It's not barren area. It's a very open area, and here people only come for farming. But this time it's April, so no one is here. All crops cut it out, and only few crops only where the good irrigation system is. So that's why people don't do much farming this time. So you can see all dried. And also guys, it's quite far from village and far from connected main road. So you can see there is a village and there is a small river at my village. So it come a little river. So that's why people don't prefer here much farming, that regularly check it out. But in the rainy season there are all only vegetables like red chili and many crops like because it's quite fast, so people don't here come often. So you can see all alone. I'm only one. And also guys, here you can see only one tube well here in the middle of this very big area, and that was only the main source of irrigation system before. But now so many farmers got boring and set up some engine because here not electricity, not any good road. Because you can see like this is the mud and the people go their farm by this road. So that's the main problem here because there is not good road condition here, only by walk road. So you can see I'm going to by this road. So this is the main road, you can see, and there is the main road out there and the connected by made. So I'm gonna this area to show. So guys, if you do daily like this, I'm sure definitely your English will improve because my English is improving. I'm when I was started first 2 3 session was not quite good. So I was quite stumbling middle of the conversation, not coming to my mind sentences. But now this time I'm very fluent and coming exactly sentences, exact words. So it's very good to practice daily, and practice will make you perfect. It's a saying. And also very good if you explain everything, because when you explain, then it will also improve your fluency, your thinking pattern. Because when you explain everything, you have to need sentences, words, new words. So you, when you are beginner, you don't have a proper sentences, proper words. Your brain will search the exact words, the exact sentences. And so guys, I came here. You can see the boring. People got boring this types of, and farmers bring here some pump set, some motor for irrigation. So that's this types of farming our area do people. And you can see it's a very fertile soil, but it's not good connectivity of roads and irrigation system. That's why it's barren. But when the rain start, then people start here crops like some green vegetables. Some people plow this area and start again the making crops. And so yeah, this type of farming I have here in my area. And it's April, so it's a very hot season here, so people don't prefer grow vegetable here because it's very tough to irrigate, because only 4-5 days irrigate one time, and it's very tough. And here only source of irrigation system is engine. So, and also the diesel is quite expensive here. So guys, I did today quite explain, and I explain everything what our farmer do and everything. So it's good. And today I got my fluency quite good, and you can see this. I'm going to this road, and it's quite complicated because it's up and down. So people sometimes slip, and I also sometimes slip, but now we used to, so we don't much problem here. So I'm just roaming here, and so you can see this is the field of mustard. So you can see mustard extra all, and it's also the extra of this mustard. So you can see it's only left here, and it's no use. People burn out this extra and then throw it in the field. So it's a very tough time here because it's April, so it's a very hot season, and April it started very hard, very hot here this time because this year not much rain to the sky. So guys, they are main road, and I'm going to main road. So you can see this is my road I'm going to, and now I'm heading to my village because I completed my today's session 15 minutes. So my daily ultimate session. So you can see guys, here it's engine. It's a old engine, and I think no use because it's rusted, and there was a boring also. So, and also here you can see there's vegetable plants. You can see this tomato, some tomatoes. So it's very good, and many problems here like wild animals, some like calves, many buffaloes, some other wild animals. They eat our crops, so that's why people use this bamboo and this wire to protect our fields from the wild animals. So you can see this is fence type, and people wrap around this field, and then some left this crops up, and after that you can see some crops eaten by wild animals. And here you can see this is ladyfinger, some other herbs, some onion, some other things. So it's very complicated here. And here you can see also engine, and here you can see some green areas like it's a sugarcane plant. It's all baby sugarcane plants. And here you can see some pulse, you can see, and also people fence here, but it's all broken by wild animals, and also it's grazing some wild animals. So yeah, this type of fields we have here. So guys, I came here at main road. You can see this is the main road, and I came here at my field, and you can see it's a neem tree, and here it's my Karela field, and you can see now Karela is ready for vegetable. So you can see this is good Karela, and it's spinach, and it's coriander, and yeah, we have many types of vegetables grow here. So you can see it's all vegetables area, and here you can see this is cow fodder, and this is red chili, this is red chili, this is green chili, and yeah, we have here lots of green chilies, and also you can see the wild animals eaten by this, and also you can see this is our tomato plant, and also some good tomatoes here. So I'm gonna bring out this, and this is our brinjal plant. So you can see it's all our farm. So you can see guys, it's all our farm. So guys, we have many vegetables here we plant, and I show you in another video, and today my session completed 12 to 15 minutes. So please let me know how is the session was, and also please tell me that what should I improve, and everything. Please give your feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.